Hi Planner Buddies and welcome to a new tutorial video. So today I want to show you more about the dynamic tab of the 2022 Blooming Life Planner. So I opened the Life Planner here and my old or previous business planner on this side to show you the differences between the dynamic tab of the Life Planner and general tabs on other planners. So you can see that you have a lot of tabs on this planner here, on the top, the left, the bottom, and the right side. And when you are on a specific page, you can see that all these tabs are here. And the Life Planner has a specific feature about the tabs. So you can see the top white tab bar here, and this is a dynamic tab. So depending on the page that you are on, the page the tab adjusts to the single page. So for example, when I jump to finances, you can see that I have a tab with number 1 to 5 and custom, and when you click on the single page you will come to the notebook. But when you open a page from the finances, for example yearly finances, you can see that the bar has changed. And I want to show you now the difference to a normal planner, normal. So this is the business planner here. And when I go to meetings, for example, you can see that nothing has changed here. Also, when I go back to inventory, nothing has changed again. And this is because all tabs on this planner are static. But the Life Planner has a difference about the dynamic tab. The dynamic tab adjusts to the single category that you are on. So when I go to goals, for example, you can see first on the dashboard that I have the number tab right here again. And when I go to New Year resolution, you see it has changed. And the top bar is showing me now all templates inside the goals section. So when the goals section or another category has less templates, or at least 5, then you can see 5 different templates here. So for example, you now have the goals and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 templates here because monthly goals are specific. Then you can see all the pages on the top here. So when I want to visit my general goals, for example, I just have to click on this and now I'm on general goals. I can also jump back to yearly goals or to long-term goals, onto smart goals, and so on. So some planner sections or categories have more than 5 important templates. For example, finances. So the yearly finances looks like this, and you can see that you have these 5 ones. The custom tab is always the same, so this is static because you should have the possibility to jump to your custom template always. That's why only the first 5 will change. So now focus on this one. You have the bill tracker, subscriptions, savings, debts, and no spend. When you go to your bill tracker now, you can see that it has changed again. So there is no bill tracker here, but instead you have the yearly finances. Because before we jumped to the bill tracker, we were on the yearly finances, but now we couldn't move back to the yearly finances, and that's why the tab has changed. So now I'm going back to yearly finances, and you can see the bill tracker is here again. And this kind of system works with a lot of different templates inside the planner. So when I go to subscription, you can see I have the yearly finances, the bill tracker, but no subscriptions anymore because I am already on the subscription page. It also works with debts or with no spend, for example. So the goal page hasn't changed because there are only 5. And so depending on the amount of templates inside a category, the tab bar is changing or it's just static to your single template inside the category. The reflection pages don't have these because the monthly reflections belongs to the monthly pages. So weekly is too much, and one question a day also. But when you go to the quarterly reflection, for example, you can see it here, and then you can see the single quarters. So by clicking on Q1, I will get to the quarterly. So, and also with these small flowers here. Yeah, so the reflection page don't have this one, but it's also not necessary. You have a productivity session, so here it's the same, number 1 to 5, and by clicking on 1, I have the possibility to jump to all the pages with the dynamic tab. It also works the same with the organizer. So by clicking on contacts, you can see that I have different ones. So when I go to birthdays now, I won't see my birthdays here anymore, but my contacts. So, and this is the thing about the 2022 Life Planner and the dynamic tab. So depending on all pages that you are on, you will have the dynamic tab here. And this is a great way to jump from one page to another without having links inside your page. The monthly overview has the same, by the way. So by clicking on the left ones, you will get always to the monthly dates. But when you want to visit the overview or finances or goals, then you just have to click on this and you can see the December overview. This is great because when you want to plan your day, for example, I have my week here and I will jump on the Thursday and I want to write down my personal to-do and I think about, I need to do something for my finances. Then you can just click here and you get to the monthly finances. To get back to a planning page, to a week or a daily, you have to go back to the monthly tab and then you have to click on your day. But you still have this possibility to jump faster on the single pages. So the monthly tab bar has an overview with the monthly overview here, finances for monthly finances, monthly goals, and fitness. So here is one exception, and this is the reflection part. So in general, you have your monthly overview here, and you have the reflection. When you click on reflection, you can see that you have your December reflection. But when you click on this reflection, you won't come to the monthly reflection. And this is because I decide to create these kind of tabs here for your daily use. So this is the daily reflection page. And it's more possible that you want to write down your daily reflection daily than you want to reflect your month. And that's why you always have the reflection page here on the tab. And when you want to get back to the month, you have to go to this one. So this is the dynamic tab bar. And you also have templates here. The thing about the template is now that you have the number 1 to 6, but what if you want to add a specific template to a category while having the same category tabs? This is a specific topic that I will show you in another tutorial, and on this I will show you how to use the templates inside a specific category. But you can also see a small tutorial here, or when you go to the dashboard to your instructions, then you can click on the link how to add templates and categories, and then you will see that. So yeah, that was a kind of short introduction to the hyperlink or to the dynamic tab bar. If you have any questions, just ask me. I really love to help. And so see you in the next video. Bye.